point in time where I wanted to prove that I didn't do something that I was accused of, you know, and I would have gone around the world and back twice. Christopher Columbus did do that something there? Yeah. Yeah, man, I would have gone around the world twice just to prove my point that I know so I go. You know, and my father, him sit me down and him tell me, him teach me, him tell me a story about it. And it makes sense. And you see sense, show it makes sense, you know? Yes, man. Alright. So basically, it's like, there was once a time when everybody hear about Anancy's story. Alright, well, at one point in time, it was not so. It was Tiger's story. But because Tiger wanted to prove a point to the world that I know the way how them say he go, him end up losing crown. So it's like this. Tiger come from a particular point of the world where him have a large fan base. Nearly woman, you know. Anancy come from another point where him have him fan base too. And anywhere Tiger go, he would tell his stories them and him would only gather more fans, more girls, and so forth. So there was a particular time when Tiger came to him come to Anancy's territory and talk him story them, you know? Yeah, man, and his stories were so realistic, where the ladies, he had the ladies begging him for more, and also not only begging him for more, but their thoughts of Anancy were fading. So Anancy noticed that, and then Anancy decides, say, alright, you know what? He's going to try something, because you know Anancy is very cunning. So him say no, alright, him go try something for make the people them turn away from Tiger and come towards him. So Anancy tell the people them, say, the girl them say, listen to me. Not go on for boy Tiger. Boy Tiger is nothing. Because my grandfather usually ride that. I all riding ass that. You cannot cheer for all idiot boy there. All crosses boy from Bakagada and turn left. Nobody even know which part that. My grandfather usually ride him and sitting and he have to get up way in a woodland because he can't take him a ride when my grandfather always ride him to and from all over the world. And anyway, the girls them kinda listen to what Anancy say and them kinda draw away from Tiger. So one day Tiger noticed, you know, because he had this particular girl where him really check for, you know. So him check the girl and the girl I make him know say Tiger, you know say Anancy tell me something though. Yes, Anancy tell me say you was him grandfather all riding ass. And him grandfather usually ride you all over the world and you is nobody. And you come from back agad and turn left. Yes man, so Tiger jump up and say, what you say? A dirty boy Anancy really a walk and a talk say? Girl tell him say yes, you know, so and see Tiger say alright, you know what? Don't believe the boy Anancy, you know. The boy Anancy is a trickster. And I go make him prove to who no say. Nothing like that. Because no boy nor no girl can ride this a Tiger. Because me, a general. Anyway, go on until him go to some other girl and the same treatment and the same vibe. You know, them a tell him say Anancy a walk and I say Ray. So Tiger decides say, you know what, can't take it no more, you know. Go down at the boy Anancy there. Go see what him a deal with because you know like his vibes, you know. So anyway, he makes a burp and get up we go over Anancy yard, you know. Yeah, man, when him go to Anancy yard, him see Anancy down there and say, boy, Anancy, you there cock up in the house, boy. You kill me, come down and kill you, you know, you not even know. Because you walk and talk and spread propaganda upon me. Rumors you spread upon me. I talk about say your grandfather usually ride me. Your grandfather ever ride me yet, boy? Anyway, brother Anancy come out and say, then brother Tiger, you know if you are going so sorry. What happened? Where all of this come from now? Tiger was on top of his voice, said we, and I said, man, you know where you walk and talk and tell people say, you know. You know where you talk and tell people say, you better come prove it, say, no go say, you know. Brother Anancy said, then brother Tiger, you know, I want to you, man. You know, are you at yourself if you ask that the question that you know, sir? If nobody never ride you yet, sir. Nobody never ride you yet. So you know if it bother matter to people, them man. You know people are going to walk and talk all day have to talk. And mouth, you know, mouth cut crossways, sir. And mouth make you talk anything, sir. Anyway, Brother Tiger say, man, me no want to hear that. I want you come prove to the people them say. Nothing no go so your grandfather never ride me yet. And moreover, nobody can ride me. Anyway, Anancy say, alright, Brother Tiger. Go where you do now. When you go back home, man, you just stop at the people them yard, man, and just tell them, say, alright, tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. sharp, I, Anancy, is coming up there to confess. Say, a lie me a tell, and nobody never ride you yet, and my grandfather never ride you yet, and you are king in the earth. Well, anyway, Tiger say, alright, me a come down here for you, no matter me have to come down here for you, because if me come down here for you, no master, different thing, you know. Make sure say you reach up there. Anyway, Tiger makes a burp and get up and gone back, and him walk and him tap every yard. When you can see and him tell them, say, listen to me. Anancy I come confess 6 o'clock a morning. So, you know, if you make sure, say, you know, come out across the road. You know, because right this a story I come to bump. Well, anyway, when him gone, Anancy did it to himself and say, how me I go get out of this, you know, man. Anyway, you know, Anancy and him cunning ways, him always have a plan. So, at the morning, you know, 5 o'clock, Brother Tiger wake up, you know, and even brush teeth or nothing, he makes up get up way. Get up we go down a Anancy yard, you know. So, him go down a Anancy yard and now him here Anancy down there grunt in the early morning there. And go there go and kick off Anancy door, not even knock. Boof, kick off the door. Boy, you Anancy, where you in your door? Grunt, boy. Where you in your grunt boat? Anancy say, boy, Brother Tiger. He say, when you gone, you see this, sir. I say I go cook, you see, sir, and I climb my breadfruit tree. Cause, boy, you and John, them did Ghana spring for water. And Mary saying, one cook and in have nothing, and we just see breadfruit we have to rely upon, sir. And I climb the breadfruit tree, and I juke off on the breadfruit, and I drop, you see, sir. Yes, man, one of the rotted limb drop, tear off with me and drop me a dirty, you know. Yes, man, I see all the whole of my foot there, ban me if it ban up, sir. So me no think me can walk if we come up there, no, sir. So, yeah, it look like you have to go tell the people, them say, if you have to go put off till one other day. Well, Brother Tiger say, man, you mad? If people up there wait for me, this, where that boy? What you say to me, boy? Man, you have to go up there today, man, if me even have to go carry you, man. But you have to go up there today. Well, Anyway, Tiger, brother Anancy, say alright then, brother Tiger. And since as you say you go carry me then, because me want to prove to them say nothing no go so you know. But since as you say you go carry me then, sir, right? Me will make you carry me go up there then, sir. You know, me is just a little Anancy and me is just a little poor old boy. So me will do anything where you say, sir. Well, anyway, Tiger say alright, come and me carry you. Anyway. And Nancy said, then look on the house bottom, then man, you see me one old pad saggle under there. Me saggle you up, man, and just me can ride you and me won't have to hurt up your foot and so. You know, if me in a pain, me not go can talk more than so, you know. Well, anyway, Tiger makes up bloop and run go on the house bottom and take out the pad saggle and, you know, and Nancy saggle him up and you know, bit in a mouth and, you know, draw girt on him belly, you know, girt him up like you had a girt up on a donkey. Or you had a girt up on a horse. Anyway, Anancy stay so woman climb over in him back, you know. The man, he took down Anancy, climb over in him back. And Anancy say, hey, brother Tiger, give me one piece of tick, no man, me fan fly off of your tail, man, because you know, I come me dip on your back, you know, you have to go concentrate for me and it fly them, I go there on your tail, man, you can't fan them with, man. Anyway, he stay so boop and him bite one piece of tick and, you know, he brother Anancy, anyway, walk a go up and, you know, walk a go up, so till he reach near up to crossroad, you know, man. And everybody there when you look, you see crowd gather up out a crossroad, man. Yeah. So, by the time Anancy look now and see people them, man. And in a clear everybody can see what go on. The people in there say, but how that? I know they not Tiger that, but he look like he has somebody on him back. Yeah, man. You see, by the time people them could have see clear because, you know, 6 o'clock in the morning, kind of little bit twilightish, you know, kind of little bit darkish. So, when the people them see, Anancy say, people, who don't watch it, you know, because my grandfather all riding horse is coming through. One time, my grandfather usually ride him, and look who I ride him now. And me I ride him now. So you see if you know self saying is nothing but all riding horse. Same time then now Tiger realize, say Anancy trick him, you know. Yeah man, Anancy trick him and him see so boom and flick off Anancy man and him run off in a one piece of bush. You know, from that day until now, Tiger in the wild, you know, always there in a woodland and in little way. And Anancy, they all in a people house top. You know? Anyway, everywhere part in a people house. More time you clean all your kitchen when you look at Anancy, build up him cobweb them and everything in a place, you know? So the moral of the story there is that it's not all the time them you have to try to prove a point to a one. You know, because when you try to prove a point, you will end up just soak up yourself. Just like how Tiger did a try to prove a point to the people them, and him only make a mock of himself and make a fool of himself. You know? So stories like these and so forth we will be bringing towards this channel. So just stay tuned and remember to like, you know, to share and subscribe to my page. Gosh and the Queffer, you know the vibe. We said the code.